No one likes getting bills in the mail, but imagine receiving one saying you owe the government nearly $20,000. That's what one Calgary family came home to after spending years in China. They say they did everything right, and tonight they're going public, sharing their story with Rosa Marcatelli.
Oh, you're taping me?
Yeah. It was an adventure of a lifetime for the Britton family. Dad, Ed, there in the baseball cap, got a temporary job teaching English in China. That 2-year plan stretched to 9 years, but they always knew they'd eventually come home. What they didn't know is this adventure would turn into a financial nightmare.
Okay, here are the files.
The Brittons are now facing an $18,000 tax bill from the Canada Revenue Agency.
Your reaction when you heard that?
Shock, fear, as we don't have it. What else?
Anger.
Yeah, there was anger in there
because
too.
we really felt that we had been misled.
The family filed tax returns every year, including a letter with every file, letting the CRA know where they were and when they'd be coming home.
We had absolutely no reason to believe there was any problem.
But there is a problem. After 9 years, the CRA is now saying the Brittons are not considered residents for tax purposes after all, and so should not have been receiving certain tax breaks and benefits, including the child tax credit. And it wants them to pay the money back. The Brittons have 9 kids. Elise and Ed say they just can't afford to do that.
I have no idea why they suggested in their correspondence with us that we didn't inform them that we were in China.
The case law on it is basically astronomical. This issue comes up all the time.
Mohammed says when it comes to determining tax status as a resident or non-resident, it's not just about being physically present.
You can definitely build a case to support the fact that you did not intend to sever your residential ties with Canada and that you're still factually resident in Canada. You have to look at your whole life, and a lot to do with that is your intentions. Are you planning on coming back to Canada?
Remember that?
I remember that spot.
The Brittons not only intended to return, but they did so this spring. That doesn't seem to help their case with Revenue Canada.
They act, frankly, like a power unto themselves.
Revenue Canada won't comment on the Brittons' case. The family is now considering using a pro bono legal service to fight that tax bill in court. Rosa Marcatelli, CBC News, Calgary.
All of the stories featured in our Go Public series come from you. If you're getting stonewalled and want us to get to the bottom of the problem, please get in touch. You'll find a form to reach our Go Public team through the National's website.